Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming compatibility and power. Check the charger label for wattage and the surface model so you don't chase the wrong fix. Next, visually inspect the cable, connector, and power brick for bends, frays, or heat damage. A broken cable often behaves intermittently. Once done, plug the charger into a known good wall outlet or try another socket to rule out the supply. Make sure the connector seats firmly into the port. Loose contact is a common cause of no charging. After basic checks, you move into resets and software. Fully shut down the surface, hold the power button for 30 seconds, then restart. This clears residual power states and can restore charging. Make sure Windows and Surface firmware are current. Outdated firmware or drivers can prevent the battery controller from recognizing the charger. Inspect and gently clean the charging port with compressed air, then test with a known genuine Microsoft charger if available, because counterfeit or damaged chargers frequently fail to negotiate proper power. You're at the final action stage. Open Device Manager, uninstall the AC adapter or battery driver, then reboot so Windows reinstalls it. This often restores charging communication. If that does not work, carefully inspect for bent connector pins or signs of port or motherboard damage. These need professional repair. If you must, create a concise checklist of tests you ran, the chargers tried, and any error messages, then contact authorized service. One key troubleshooting tip: try a different genuine charger to isolate hardware versus board-level faults.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.